Good morning, children. Welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to see the assignment key of coordination, the linking system. It is 10th standard lesson. This assignment is for 10 marks. In this 10 marks, there are objective questions, very short answer questions and short answer questions. Now there are 4 objective questions. Now let us see what are the questions and their key. The first one, identify the correct sequence. That means two groups will be given to you, group A and group B. Now let us see what is group A. Cell, tissues, organs. Cells together form tissues, tissues together form organs. Now B, let us observe. Tissues together form cells, cells together form organs. Say no, it is not a meaningful group. So A group is the correct answer. Second one, who am I question? I am a doctor from Greece country who identified 2 kinds of nerves in our body. Who am I? So correct answer is Galen. Okay, answer for this question is Galen. Galen identified 2 types of nerves in our body. Third one, read the sentence and correct the underlined word. That means underlined word will be the wrong one. We have to change it. Very easy now for us to identify correct answer for this underlined word. See that all living organisms respond to money. Maybe human beings respond to money, but other organisms, they do not know what is money. Okay, that's why in money place, if we keep stimuli, all the organisms present on this earth will respond to stimuli. So stimuli is the correct answer for third objective. Now fourth objective. Responses are brought about by rapid changes in some dash. It is choose the correct answer. Responses are brought in the changes of dash in the muscles. That means correct answer is B. Okay. Now it is time for observing very short answer questions. So fifth question. Define the word stimuli. Stimuli means a sudden change in our surroundings. Sudden sound. A sudden light. Okay. A sudden something happening in our surroundings is a stimulus. Okay. Right. Now sixth question. What is response? The ability to react to a stimulus, a particular stimulus is called a response. There are different types of stimuli. We will respond to different types of stimuli in a different way. That's why there is a ability of reacting to a particular stimuli. Suppose when bright light falls into eyes, we close eyes. When sudden sound we hear, we close ears. When something, one ball coming very fast towards you, we will move aside. These are all signals for responses. So response means ability to react to a particular stimulus. Next, write the full form of AD. AD means Anno Domini, means in the year of Lord. Next, what was the belief of Greeks about the brain? Greeks thought that brain controls all the functions of the body. Okay, they thought that all the functions of the body are controlled by the brain. That was the belief of Greeks. Later, that belief was changing. Okay, right. Now let us observe ninth question. That means short answer question. According to Galen, how many nerves are there in our body and what are they? According to Galen, there are 2 types of nerves. They are sensation nerves and action nerves. Sensation nerves are called sensory nerves and action nerves are called motor nerves. That means when we place our hand on the hot object, immediately we draw back our hand. So when we place our hand on the hot object, we find that it is hot. That means the nerves, sensation nerves, carry this message to spinal cord and brain. And this brain and spinal cord brain analyzes that message, and it brings responses to the muscles, so that we will draw back our hand. So that means motor nerves carry the responses to the muscles. So we draw back our hand. So according to Galen, there are two types of nerves. They are sensation nerves and action nerves. And last question, what triggers the movement of the muscles? So what is the cause for movement of the muscles? The meaning of the question. Okay, it is the kind of pathway involving the way that our organs, tissues and cells work. Okay, how our organs, tissues and cells work. So that is a particular pathway is there. So all of them pick up signals from the surroundings and respond accordingly. That means organs, tissue, cells pick up the signals from the surroundings, pick up the signals of stimuli and respond accordingly. This triggers different functions of our body as well as by our body. So for example, when we will move aside, when we see or when we hear a car is approaching towards us. So this is the correct answer for what triggers the movement of the muscles. So thank you children.